9 school gyms. One big goal: give students across St. Albert and Edmonton something brighter, clearer, and way more modern than old projectors. The St. Albert School Division had a tough situation before we came in. Their previous LED wall, installed by another company, actually fell off the wall after just 2 years. Luckily, no one was in the gym when it happened. But that moment changed everything. Safety became the #1 priority. They needed something strong, secure, and built to last. So we got to work. We designed and installed 9 new LED video walls, each 15 by 8 feet, using 2.5mm GOB epoxy-coated panels, plus a smaller 6 by 3 foot LED scoreboard for one of the locations. And this time, mounting wasn't an afterthought. We anchored everything with chemical bolts and a reinforced frame system, making the structure 3 to 4 times stronger than what was there before. And here's the crazy part. We had just 16 days before students returned. No breaks, no weekends, just full focus. We wrapped it up in 14 days. And the difference is obvious the moment you walk in. The gyms look brighter, cleaner, and way more engaging. Even with all the lights on, the displays pop, sharp, colorful, and visible from every corner of the room. Instead of swapping old projectors for new ones, the division chose LED. Same ballpark budget, but a whole different level of experience. This is what modern education should feel like.